To customize Always on Display on Realme 14 Pro, you have to start by opening Settings, and then you will have to navigate straight into Wallpaper and Style. Then select Always on Display, and first of all, you can actually change clock style. So you can get this small clock style or the bigger one. Then when you go into Display Settings, you can actually find some things like information, so you can hide or show things like time, date, battery level, and notifications. Here, you can also find some other things like, for example, the contextual information, for example, the music playback, but also you can get information about other supported apps for the Always on Display. And when we go back from this one, we can also show a new notifications on the Always on Display. Then, right here, we can find some themes. When you go for personalized, you can actually put your photo as a theme. Like in my case, as you can see, I've got this photo. And here you can find system one, so basically the default themes that can quickly apply. And when I'm gonna open analog clock, I can actually go here and I can change theme of analog clock, but also I can set text color. As you can see right now, it is changing. And that's how you can actually customize this feature.